Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Digital Clicks. My name is Philip Augustus. In this video, I want to show you how you can create your author page, on Amazon KDP. So please do me a favor, just give me one sub, if you've not subscribed, share and like the video. Alright, so let's get straight into the video. For you to do that, you need to log into your KDP account, and if you do that, this is where you get to. Alright, the next thing you have to do is to click on marketing. So this is it, author central page. So we want to create your author's page, in this author central. Alright, and you are allowed to create up to 3 pages in one account. Alright, so when you get here, what you need to do is to select the market, amazon.com, and you click on manage author page. Okay, so here we are. This is the next page you will see. So you will need 3 things here, any of these 3 things: your book title, ISBN, or your author name. So let me get the author's name and paste there and search. So I'll just paste the book title to be fast. And I'll say enter. So the book displayed. So you click on the book and you now say yes, join as the name of your author. The name of that is your pen name. Your pen name. Just say join as. Your pen name will display there. You just click yes. Alright, so this whole thing is very simple. This whole thing is very simple. At this point, you need to wait for them to approve your account, but meanwhile you can now do these 2 things. You can now do these 2 things. You can add more books to your profile, but you can now do these 2 things. Let's edit the profile. You can add the picture and also a bio. So let's add a picture. Click on add photo. Alright, so I can just publish. Say okay. Alright, so the next thing you add is the bio, just about your author, about this person now. If you don't know what to write, you can always ask chat GPT to get it for you. So I'll just copy my own and paste this, and now click on add bio. Select English. That you select your language, which is English, and you now paste your bio there. You can always proofread it, and you now say click on preview, click preview bio, and you can now save it. Okay. You can see now this change can take up to 24 hours to appear on your author page. Okay, so you've set up your author page and it's cool now. Alright, another thing you can always do is to create link. Alright, that I will show in another video. Okay, so I'm very sure this thing is simple and you can do it. Alright, so if you like this video, if it is helpful at all, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates.